We would like to do more optical illusions. Currently we have this tool with a video of how we developed it and everything, but the optical illusions actually not interactive. There's just Python code that replicates them. But we would actually like to do interactive optical illusions because they're actually relevant to biomedical data science, because you can actually study vision and how the brain works. Maybe we can explain, give an overview on this and ask even more great questions about the optical illusions and how would we go about making a web application to demonstrate an optical illusion. I'm actually wondering if the robot would be able to create, what do you think? Would you be able to create a new optical illusion that doesn't exist anymore? So the condition for it would be that you're actually using some sort of vision or brain phenomena. Yeah, because the current vision, the vision aspects would be covered by existing optical illusions. So it will be hard to create something absolutely new, or perhaps even impossible. I mean, we could create, I'm pretty sure the robot will be able to create a new optical illusion that is relying on the same principle. Yeah, that actually sounds really good. We could make the illusions more interactive, and then one of the things we could see when an illusion actually stops having an effect. So, say in the example of the Herman grid, how far the boxes, the squares, can be from one another for the illusion to actually stop having an effect. I don't know if you actually see it, if you're watching on your screen, depending on the screen size and everything, you might or might not see the circles, the darker brown gray circles between the squares. They're obviously not there. It's just one of those illusions. So it will be interesting to actually have an interactive version of it where you could change the distance between the squares and see when the illusion actually stops having an effect and at what distance the illusion is stronger. And perhaps you could do the same for the other illusions, like the Ponzo illusion, which we already have. This is just what we currently have on the page is just the Python code to create that Ponzo illusion locally on your machine, but we would actually like to have it deployed on the website, an interactive version of it. So we are developing this website, biomedical.com, all the tools that we're eventually making going on that site. So do check it out and let me know what you think. Now, yes, we should have ChatGPT as a co-author on the website and all the content we generate. Okay, I would like to focus on the Ponzo illusions a bit more interesting, and I can see how it will be more interactive. So we have the line position slider. Can you provide instructions for another developer as to how to generate the HTML code with JavaScript embedded into it? There's another instruction to make sure we have an existing CSS styling file for the whole website, so we'd like to use that because we want everything to be consistent on the site. But yeah, so like a Ponzo illusion, interactive web application using JavaScript alone, only visualization libraries, everything else should be basic maths. Yeah, because we'll have to start a different chat with Canvas, so we can actually do the coding. Well, unless we're doing a single shot could work. Okay, so we have set up the HTML, configure the JavaScript, adjust, update the canvas styling. Yeah, a couple of things with these instructions. So the styling, can you remind the developer to ask me to provide the CSS for the entire website. In the instructions, make sure that we're doing one continuous HTML with the JavaScript code embedded in it. Let's see if it will start generating the code. Yes, it does. That's a good little robot. Yeah, we have a link to our CSS for the website. Okay, let's deploy this quickly. We can edit it directly in the canvas as well. See if it does anything at all. Okay, it does, but what? Okay, this is a bit wrong. This is a bit wrong. So it should look like image 1, but currently it looks like image 2. I thought it should look something like this. Okay, so this is closer to reality. Yeah, it's interesting. Is this part of the illusion? Okay, this looks good. Can we add another slider that will control the position of the line on the right? So it will move it left and right on the canvas. And can you also add the labels to the sliders? Okay, so I'm not sure what the default settings should be. Well, yeah, the line on the right looks bigger, which is the intention. I actually like it a lot. Yeah, I like it a lot. One thing is that the right line position, the slider position 0, should be that the two lines are overlaid. So the right line, when the second slider position is 0, then the right line should be 0 distance from the left line. But keep everything else as it is. Okay, there's a problem. Let's revert. Can you just explain how the second slider works? Yeah, so that 0.4 right slider ranges 0.9 to 0.8. This range represents proportion of the canvas, 50 to 80%. Okay, so instead of 50 and 80%, can it be 30 and 90? Just Sage, tell me where it made the change. Okay, so that default. Yeah, then you can see that the lines are actually the same. Yeah, this way. The one on the right is looking larger when the effect is largest. But yeah, no, that's exactly what we wanted. At the bottom of the HTML page, can you include the description of what the application is all about? Give an overview about the effect, the Ponzo illusion, and what a brain or vision aspects it's relying on. It's both classes description and content, is it? Anyway, that looks really good. Looks really nice. Let me know if there's any questions about the site. Make it available. Haven't published it yet. Can do it quickly now. Just need a few tweaks to it. Yeah, eventually we want to move all the styling into that one file. get that image. I don't know why GitHub Copilot is so silly. We actually stopped paying for it. Yeah, I couldn't get the hang of how to use it. I don't mind paying for it, but it's just not very useful. I understand it's geared towards developers or something. To me, it's just a bit silly to understand where it's getting its information from. Yeah, we'll have an image, probably JPEG. Yeah, I don't know why you need index HTML in it. Oh, come on. You have the file there sitting next to you, and it will be pulling stuff from who knows where. Yeah, have the styling for the page. In the body, we need that header. So we'll have the logo and menu. All the JavaScript is there. And yes, we need to cover some electricity costs. So we'll be placing some ads at the bottom of the page. Apologies in advance. I'm not even sure why am I apologizing for it. Yeah, I really like this web app. Nice and simple, quick explanation. We need a title at the top. But yeah, this is good enough. Okay, so we have a link. Let's quickly deploy. Now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, we have a Ponzo illusion deployed. And we are done for today. Let me know if there's any questions. Yeah, go check out the rest of the website. Any complaints, suggestions are more than welcome. Yeah, Ponzo illusion is relevant because it's to do with the brain and vision. Yeah, the description looks correct. And I'll see you next time. Bye.